Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing October 2025 Patreon Part 6. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. We also have a Patreon link for our channel as well. It'll be the last month of it. If you don't see any improvement for it, uh, it's going to be well over 400 miniatures for $1. And if you want the figure ones that I paid for from Fiverr, that will be $5 with plus the $400 miniature that comes with that as well. Anyhow, let's all the links will be down below, and let's get started. So we got Myth Bowl RN Studio. This is basically their version of Blood Bowl. And for the Halloween Blood Bowl, we got some undeads, mummies, ghosts, and looks like ghouls and werewolves as well. We also got the death from Dark Souls uh, with it as well. For some reason, my cat won't stop bothering me unless I give her attention. So yeah, go check them out. We also got 3D printed realm. This is basically Warhammer. I'm not Warhammer. World of Warcraft, I believe. 3D printed. No, probably not. 24th. This one, so we got a girl with a lion head with a sword. For many, I don't know what this month. Thank you for supporting month. Pennies received and added to the creative freedom. Proof. We don't know what's going to happen for October for them. A Black Random Sci-Fi. This is like Star Wars, Halo, and stuff like that as well. Let's see here. October 4th. October release. We got some Star Wars. We also got Mass Effect, Star Trek, Dead Space. That's all I can think of right now for your minis. 3DXM. They do chibis and figures for it, like different parts of it. So here's your chibi. You got the Balrog, Tanjiro, Elvis, Aang, Dean, Winchester, and Alter, Ghost, and Goblin. You get 100 plus models. Let me see if they get the actual full figure for this month as well. I guess not. They usually do. Well, go check them out. Glad Miniature. This is for D&D. And for Glad, for October update, we're having, looks like a thief, monk, and a fighter for this month. They don't do a lot. They'll get like this many things before they release it. Just a little handful of it for like, I believe, $5. Great. Grimoire, they're doing a Halloween special right now. You can watch the video for that. Not all stories are meant for the light. Not all stories are meant for the light. Give him the face, Angel. The face. I think that's Red Riding Hood. Yep. This is like the Grimm the Grimm brothers, the old tales and stuff like that. I do like that. Octo Witch, whatever we call Mer Witch, or a Sea Hag. Which one is this? Gas Mask and Two Hounds. Mary had a little lamb. It's supposed to be the evil queen with a pumpkin that's like deteriorating in many ways. Carriage. So all that, I think that's for like $5, I believe. Oh yeah, Dice Tower too. That's kind of cool. Early access, early birds. Is this Kickstarter? I think this is Kickstarter. No, this is their Frontier thing. Oh, so I don't know what the hell this month's gonna be. Curse Bastion. So you have a Drider. Looks like an Orc. Beast Tamer, some horror armor, and a wounded elf fighter mage looking thing. So if you want that, that's gonna be for the for the little thing. Let me see how much they cost. $10 is not that bad. Let's see here. You get the same shit for $10 for early bird. That's actually not that bad for the frontier thing. Realm of Path. I think this is another version of Blood Bowl as well. That's September. I really wish they don't fucking do this so we can see it. We always see the September one. It's just Blood Bowl. I don't know what kind of Blood Bowl it's going to be, but um, hopefully, you guys have a better chance of finding it. I'm not going to look through it. Seki is a anime figure one as well. So your discount mode, $50, you get like pretty much the 200 plus anime models if you're really interested in doing that. September, October terms. Again, I just don't like it when they freaking do this all the time. It's like freaking hard to see. It's like, what do you have for this month? If I'm going to buy it, I want to see what you have for me to buy. My Mini Factory is D&D. Last month was a Tarask. I think this month we're getting a Pit Fiend. Well, it'll be Balor, but it's actually a Pit Fiend. So we got demons for this realm. It's actually a good month of the year to do a dungeon dive into the nine gates of hell for high levels. If you haven't done that, do it. Um, Read up on it. A lot of the lore is up on 3.5, and basically it is one of those things that um, I really enjoy. Let's see a miniature blueprint, another D&D one. Let's see here, we got Cursed Armor Knight. That's August. September, October. I don't know what October is because they keep shielding it, and that's one thing I really don't like. They so slowly, a lot of these Patreon just shield it. It's like, what is there for me to buy if you're gonna shield it? That's November. We'll take care of this. We got Hollow Knight. You got some Digimon, some Persona monsters, a giant Cubone with a Cubone in the sack. I know there's a story that Cubone is the baby of Genghis Khan, the skull of Genghis Khan. I don't think they ever actually, truly did it. We got Bear. Another one. Let's see here. Yeah, a whole bunch of cool stuff. And you also get a throwback too from last year. That's from Tears of the Kingdom, Pokemon, a whole Kingdom Hearts, a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see what else we got. We got Spooktober 2023. You also get one from the year before that too. That's a lot of stuff for it. Station Forge, they got two parts of it. They got the legacy one and they got the regular one. I would say over closed subscription on Patreon, we fully moved to so they're finally closed. It looks like it. So we got Station Forge, we got Skinks, whatever, Skavens, got Imperials. This is a good proxy. You can print that and modify your Orcish way if you want. Techno Savages, and they get a lot more too. Just letting you guys know. For October Recycle, this is the recycle tier, and this is like the past ones that they have as well. And they have a lot of stuff for Warhammer if you're interested in that. Noid, another one. They do like battle bots, and I what's that? Battle mechs, I believe it's called, and Warhammer stuff as well. That looks cool. Quality Assurance. I did some collab with them. It's just that I just did not like having a whole bunch of parts for me to put together. Like this whole thing could be one piece. You know, then you're gonna have this, the head, and different weapons choices. That's all. That's all you need. But yeah, Wild Mesh is also on My Mini Factory. But I think you can see what this month is going to be. It's mostly going to be Slaanesh, and we got some demons as well. Got Demon Hounds. That looks good. Oh, this one you can actually put the stuff in from like Doom. That's the thing. That's the head for the Doom one. You could use it for your coin army if you're interested. Little bodies and stuff. That's kind of cool. You have a hero. Huh. Damien 3D, another minis as well. This will be the last one for today. Now Shigo. Shigo, I think Shigo is going for be for October quarter 4 project. I don't know what quarter 4. Freaking, I fucking hate this so much. I'm not paying $1 to see what you have. That's one of those things. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.